If your baby is taking pap every single day and the weight is still not increasing, then this video is for you.
Welcome to Chubby Baby's Kitchen, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!
You know that feeling when your baby is eating very well, you are consistent, you are trying your best, but when people carry your babies or when people see them, you start hearing things like, this baby is not adding weight, oh. And deep down, it hurts very well because you know you are trying. What many moms don't realize is that sometimes plain pap, even with sugar or milk, is not enough for weight gain. It fills the tummy, but it doesn't always build the body. Previously, before my knowledge as a nutritionist, I was doing pap the regular way. And all of a sudden, when I became a nutritionist and I got to know things about babies a lot, I stopped doing pap the regular way. Instead, I turned it into something more powerful, something richer, something that actually supports healthy weight gain. And you know, the best thing that can happen to you is when you get a pap that is already fortified. Yes, and that pap can only be Maki healthy food pap, because when you get a well fortified pap that has nut milk and everything in it, it is a way of quickening your child's weight gain. And also, there is one ingredient that I added that most moms don't even think of putting inside their baby's pap. Now, stay with me. I'll show you exactly how I did it. Talking about fortified pap, here I use Maki healthy food banana and nut milk pap. I used the wet variant. There is the powdered one and there is the wet one. Now this pap is highly fortified with different nuts and seed, and you can see the color. You can see how creamy and nutritious it is. That is how fortified this pap is. In fact, even if you don't add milk to this pap, your baby is good to go. But because we are doing something extraordinary, I am going to show you how to obtain the best and help your child to gain weight very fast. In less than 2 weeks, you begin to see results. First, you're going to prepare your pap the normal way. Make sure it is smooth, warm, and lump free, and make sure it is not too thick. Yes, we don't need a thick pap for this. Now, this is where the upgrade starts. You're going to be adding ripe avocado and ripe banana. These two alone are already powerful. Banana gives energy and natural sweetness, while avocado adds healthy fat that helps with weight gain. Then we are also going to be adding a little yogurt, and here we are using Maki Healthy Food drinkable Greek yogurt. Yes, if you're not aware, Maki Healthy Food sells 100% drinkable Greek yogurt for children that is highly loaded with calories and great for weight gain. Now, this helps with digestion and makes everything very creamy and smooth. And at this point now, you might be thinking, okay, that is enough, but no, not yet. So make sure you peel the bananas and chop them into little pieces. And then for the avocado, make sure you wash it very well and scoop out the flesh of the avocado, set it aside. And then for the banana, you're going to chop it as usual into smaller bits, and you're going to combine the both of them. Now listen, this is one of the fastest way of helping your child to gain weight, and this can be likened to a smoothie, a pap smoothie. It is highly nutritious and calorie dense, but then this is not even the main thing. Yes, we are getting there, but this is not the main ingredient that I am talking about. Now proceed to transfer the chopped bananas and the avocado into a blender. Here I am using my blend and go smoothie blender. I first of all transfer the Maki healthy food drinkable Greek yogurt into the blender. This will help with ease of blending. That is why I am adding it first. Then I proceeded to add the bananas and the avocado. Guys, this is just the start of your child's weight gain. Trust me, if you have not been making your pap like this, please start preparing your pap like this, and always do well to use Maki healthy food products. Now, this is the part that many moms don't know. This is what changed everything for me. I added chubby butter. Yes, chubby butter. Just a small amount, but it makes a huge difference.
Maki Foods chubby butter is not your regular peanut butter. It is so much more. Grab a jar for your family today.
This Maki Foods chubby butter is very rich in healthy fat. It is very high in calories, and it is perfect for supporting baby weight gain. This is the part that takes your pap from just filling to actually nourishing for growth. Next up is to transfer the Maki healthy food banana pap into the blender as well. Remember, we are making something filling. We are making Maki healthy food pap smoothie. This is one pap smoothie that you will be giving your child and you'll be seeing amazing results. Now you're going to blend all of this until it is smooth, creamy, and lump free. What you will get is not your regular pap anymore. It is a rich, nutrient dense smoothie that your baby will love. Chop stars. The first time I made this, I didn't even expect much. But over time, I started noticing changes on my baby. My baby stayed fuller for longer, had more energy, and slowly the weight started improving. And the best part is that my baby actually enjoys eating it. No struggle, no forcing, and it is very creamy and smooth. And there you have it, mama. This is one pap smoothie that will take your baby's weight gain level from 0 to 100. The weight gain is very fast, it is very reliable, and it is very healthy. You know everything that is going into your child's food. You know everything that your child is taking. After blending, transfer it into a smoothie cup for your baby. If your baby is using a sippy cup, you can transfer it into the cup as well. If your baby has leftover, do well to refrigerate it and consume it within 24 hours because of the ingredients in it. If you won't consume it immediately, please do well to freeze it. Now, guys, just look at this. Look at how creamy this is. This is one pap smoothie that will help your baby stay healthy, very nutritious, and will help your baby's skin to glow. And so, mama, sometimes it is not that your baby is not eating, or it is not that your baby is not gaining weight. It is just that the food needs a small upgrade. You don't have to abandon pap, and you don't have to throw away the pap you have in the house because you feel it's not working. Just make it better. And if you're using Maki healthy food, that is even the best part because the result will be very fast and evident. Make it very richer, make it count for your baby. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with another mama who needs it. And subscribe to Chubby Baby's Kitchen for more simple, powerful baby meals that actually support healthy growth. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and click that bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Bye.